Hello all viewers, today is Tuesday, today is Sunday, September 22. Ito po tayong breakfast ngayon. This is sa Norwegian Bliss. Today is our breakfast. Sausage, pancakes, French toast, eggs, country potatoes, baked beans. Yung kanilang coffee, hot water, decaf, milk. Lalagay ko yung kabayan chef. Painitin niya. Ito ng ating food for today. Tubig, ayan.
Sorry, what were you saying?
Oh, this taste of India. Morning. Ayan, ito, bagels. Hello, chef. Here are the fruits. Pineapples, banana, apples, cantaloupe, melon. Si kabayan magsaserve.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. It's yummy.
Morning. Yun, side up. Exhibition, si kabayan, morning. Eggs. Lalagay siya ng ating syrup. Morning kabayan, syrup. Ano siya serve? There you go. Kababayan natin. Cinnamon buns. French toast, turkey link sausage, and turkey. Ito ang ating mga bakery, panaderia. Ito. Cinnamon roll, soft rolls, oat bran muffin, French baguette, cinnamon rolls, soft rolls. Dito parang hopya na hot pandesal ay sure. Itong bacon, egg, boiled eggs. Tayo rito. There you go. Dito tayo sa Norwegian Bliss cruise to Alaska. Day 2. All day cruise kami ngayon. Ano ba yan? Cheese cold cuts. Yan. Ito plain yogurt. Parang taho yan. Sweet coca. Mga busy nga ang kababayan natin. May bata rin dito. Hello, good morning kabayan. Saan ka sa Pilipinas? Vlog ako. Apa ba? Kabalin to. Kabalin. So, mga vlog. May busy ako. Kabanatuan. Saan ka sa Pampanga? San Fernando? Magalang Pampanga. Po, nakapila isang chef natin. Kababayan. So, masarap. Mixed berries. Plain yogurt. And kababayan din natin ito isa. Mag-exhibition siya. Egg omelette by our kababayan chef. Kababayan. Hello sir. Morning. Okay, thank you for watching. Hello kabayan. Kumusta? Hello. Morning. Ito mga prutas to. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Have a good day and bye for now. Please feel free to make a comment, share and below. Like and share. Bye-bye.